some celery, green peppers, onions, with crawfish and your favorite Cajun seasonings. And it takes about 15 minutes to prepare and about 20 minutes to cook. Today we're going to be joined by my very best longtime friend, Miss Georgia May.
Yes, thank you.
All right, well, let's get started.
Now, Loretta, what does saute mean?
Oh, well.
Sautéing is a chemical process known as pyrolysis, which is a non-enzymatic breaking down of chemicals by heat.
Oh, thanks for chopping them onions for me, honey.
Anytime, dear.
Oh, honey, what's wrong?
Don't know, Loretta.
Oh, maybe it's the onions.
But why would onions make me cry?
Well,
When you cut into an onion, you cut through the cells, releasing the chemicals inside of them, which causes the enzymes to react with the amino acid sulfoxides, producing propane thiol oxide, which rises up as a gas and burns your eyes as you cut through.
well, now that we're done chopping, let's get the saute on. Well, now we got our saute going, we're gonna go over and talk to my cousin Billy Ray.
Here, let me do that for you, Loretta.
Thanks, honey.
No problem.
Now, Billy, why don't you tell us a little bit about your crawfish preparation?
Well, Loretta, after I catch them all and boil them and get them this nice red color, I take them out of the exoskeleton, just like this, just the tail meat, and then I have to degut them.
Now, what you talking about when you say exoskeleton?
Well, you see that little red thing right there? I don't know what it is, but it's just there.
Well, exoskeleton is mainly consisted of chitin, which is this large polymer here. This large polymer is highly resistant to all chemicals, including the chemicals in our digestive system, which is why we do not eat the exoskeleton.
So now that we've got all our vegetables sauteed, we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of garlic and 2 bay leaves, right about here, and about a pound, or approximately 454 grams of this here crawfish tail. We're going to let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, Georgia, this reminds me of that song we used to sing when we were kids.
Loretta, I was thinking the same thing.
You get a line, I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line, I'll get a pole, babe. You get a line, I'll get a pole. We'll go down to the crawfish show, honey, baby mine. Well, let's get back to cooking. We're going to dissolve about a tablespoon of flour in some water and add that to our crawfish mixture. And then we'll have about a teaspoon of salt right over here being added in. And a little bit of cayenne.
One of the main chemicals in cayenne is capsaicin, which is this molecule right here. Capsaicin is a chemical that reacts with the pain receptors in our mouths, which causes a burning sensation.
Well, now we're going to mix this up until it gets real thick, and then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley right here, and then about a half cup of chopped green onions. And we're going to let this cook for about another 2 minutes, and when we're done, it's going to look a little bit something like this. And we're going to serve it over some freshly steamed brown rice. And for all you die-hard Cajun fans out there, we have some freshly fried beignets.
Oh, Loretta, this is to die for.
Thank you, honey. You get a line, I'll get a pole, honey. You get a line,